We present TandemTable, a multi-touch tabletop system which breaks down communication barriers between partners with a special focus on supporting those who speak different languages. Our system facilitates and supports conversations by suggesting topics of discussion and presenting partners with a variety of conversation-focused collaborative activities, which consist of shared digital topical content that is dynamically downloaded from the web. The design of our system was guided by design guidelines derived from a grounding study of a real-world tandem language learning environment, as well as prior literature at the intersection of computer-assisted language learning, tandem language learning, and human-computer interaction. In tandem language learning, two or more learning partners learn each other's language, or the same language, by interacting and participating in conversations. With this collaborative learning method, each individual acts as a student and a teacher. Based on the mutual exchange of language between partners, tandem language learning also enables individuals to learn about their partner's culture and character, thus facilitating intercultural learning. In an ideal tandem language learning session, most of the time is spent with learners connecting with one another through active communication. Thus, unlike much of the work in the domain of interactive tables, TandemTable is designed to be a passive interface, waiting in the background unless needed. We use the form factor of a table, sitting between two people but not obstructing interpersonal connections, as a platform to deliver content when needed, to keep conversations going, and otherwise it will be mostly ignored. Our system includes many different conversation topics to choose from, along with 4 different activities. These include Twitter, news headlines, pictures, and a picture game activity. A video activity was originally included, but was removed based on study results. We chose activities with web-based content to be able to support many languages without the need of costly teacher intervention, as well as to provide learning partners with timely and fresh content on each use. In the Twitter activity, tweets in the learner's target languages that relate to the selected topic of discussion are downloaded from Twitter and displayed. If a word within a tweet is selected, it is highlighted and displayed in the center of the screen for both learners to see and discuss. If both learners do not understand the selected word, it can be translated with an additional selection. Although Twitter may contain spelling or grammatical errors, the main point of the system is to support language learning through facilitating and inspiring conversations, and Twitter provides a great medium to view what other people are currently talking about. For the news headlines activity, we utilize a newsfeed aggregator to download and display news headlines that relate to the currently selected topic. Learners can discuss these headlines or select them to display the entire news article. As with the Twitter activity, words can be selected for discussion as well as translated. In the picture activity, photos are downloaded from Flickr and displayed to inspire conversation between partners. We also included a collaborative picture game activity where learners work together to match words with their respective picture representation. In the original video activity, we employed the use of the YouTube Data API and VLC to download and display videos. When learners watch a video, the same video is mirrored to allow both learners to view the exact same content. To determine the efficacy of TandemTable, we first evaluated our system with a qualitative exploratory study with 8 pairs of learners. Participants found that TandemTable was beneficial for relationship building and language learning, and was enjoyable to use. With the insights gained from the study, we further refined TandemTable. We removed the video activity due to it tending to reduce the amount of conversation and interaction between partners. We also added a subsystem to record and analyze audio in real time from 2 separate audio input channels, one for each learner. This allowed us to employ a voice activity detection algorithm to determine learners' utterance rates. We use this data to further promote discussion by providing textual and audio conversation prompts for the learners when their conversations dwindled. These prompts suggested different questions and examples of things to discuss. We also used utterance data to create a conversation feedback visualization that is intended to promote awareness of participation and encourage learners to self-correct conversational imbalances. To quantitatively evaluate TandemTable, we performed a formal study comparing our system to the baseline tandem language learning condition of no support. With 4 pairs of partners, we recorded their interaction data and utterance rates as they performed the tandem language learning method. Our system was shown to increase communication between learning partners, reduce social discomfort, and was the preferred way of engaging in tandem language learning. We have presented TandemTable, a system that is meant to create a more comfortable, equitable social environment for not only language learners, but all conversationalists.